हमासद्वारा झन्डै 2 वर्ष अघि बन्धक बनाइएका विपिन जोशीकी आमा र बहिनी इजरायल पुगेर विपिन जोशीको जीवन रक्षा र रिहाईको लागि आग्रह गरिरहेका छन्। बेन गुरियन विमानस्थलमा स्थानीय सञ्चारकर्मीलाई प्रतिक्रिया दिँदै आमा पद्मा र बहिनी पुष्पाले विपिनको जीवन रक्षाका लागि आग्रह गरेकी हुन्। विमानस्थलमा आँसु झार्दै उनीहरूले विपिनलाई 2 वर्षदेखि पर्खिरहेको भन्दै घर फर्काइदिन हमासलाई आग्रह गरे। इजरायल सरकारको सहजीकरणमा पुगेका उनीहरूले भ्रमणका क्रममा विपिन बसेको तथा अपहरण भएको स्थान भ्रमण गर्ने कार्यक्रम छ। सन् 2023 को अक्टोबर 7 मा हमास समूहको आक्रमणमा 10 जना नेपाली विद्यार्थी मारिएका थिए भने विपिन जोशीलाई बन्धक बनाई लगेको समाचार आएको थियो। त्यसपश्चात विपिन जोशीको खोजीको विषयमा लामो समयदेखि थुप्रै प्रयास भए पनि अहिलेसम्म विपिन जोशी रिहा हुन सकेको छैन। हमासलाई आग्रह गर्दै विपिन जोशीको कुनै सम्बन्ध नभएको, कुनै लडाईँसँग सम्बन्ध नभएको र रिहा गरिदिन हुन आग्रह गरेका छन्। यो हेर्नुहोस् अन्तर्राष्ट्रिय मीडियाबाट लिएको एक रिपोर्ट।
As soon as possible, very soon, and I want to go my homeland with my brother.
Please rescue my son Bipin Joshi. Hamas bring back home now. Please return home. Hamas, please, please.
प्लिज रेस्क्यू गरिदिनु। यति टाढाबाट आएको छु। प्लिज मेरो छोरालाई सजिलो भए पनि एक हप्ताको लागि आएको छु।
We came very far to bring him back.
यो हप्ताभित्रै उसलाई रेस्क्यू गरिदिनु।
So this week is very important for us. You have to help.
मेरो दोस्त पढ्न मात्र आएको हो यहाँ, अरू उसको यो युद्धसित कुनै सम्बन्ध छैन।
He has no relation with anyone. He came here to earn and learn. So why he get kidnapped? That's like we don't know. So I want to back him safely back within a week. That's why I came from the very far.
Bipin Joshi is 24 years Nepalese agriculture student who went Israel only for learn and earn program from his college, and he went here just for learn something and apply these ideas in his own country. But unfortunately he had to be caught between 2 wars, and he has no any relations between 2 wars. So we just want him. It's too much for me and my families. It's almost 2 years. It's too much for me and my family. We can't control ourselves, and we can't think about his condition, what he is doing there, and is he is getting food there or not, is he is getting medicine there or not. We don't know anything about it, so we need him as soon as possible. It's my request to every governmental peoples, every Israeli peoples, please pray for him and please do whatever you can, please.